Welcome to Samco's latest version for Power Accounting, Release 10.5. In this video, we are going to show you some highlights of it. Please take a look at the release notes for version 10.5. It's in a PDF format, and you will notice that it has a large font for easy reading on the screen. If your operating system is either Linux or Unix, and you haven't upgraded to the graphical user interface yet, please give us a call. To get the GUI interface is only a matter of changing your terminal emulation. If you replace your SmartTerm or ICE TCP with Thin Client, you can go from this to this. A number of reports are now exported in tab format. This means that you may open them directly in Excel. When you go to Print a Report, look for the X printer. Here I'll print a trial balance from the general ledger. The printer window now includes an X selection for this report. You can choose the default name or override it. The report will now open automatically on your desktop in Excel. Check your release notes for the list of reports that are now available in the X format. If there is a report that you would like to see easily exported to Excel, please let us know and we will be sure to add it as we expand this feature to other reports. If your report doesn't immediately open in Excel, you may need to change your Windows setup for file types. Go to the control panel on your desktop. In the Classic view, choose Folder Options, or Category view, choose Performance and Maintenance, and then File Types. For Windows 7, go to the Control panel, and in Category view, choose Programs, Default Programs, associate file type with a program. Go to the tab File Type and check Open With option. Change it to Open with Microsoft Excel, and your tab-delimited reports exported from Samco will automatically open on your desktop. If you are not using the graphical user interface for Samco, you will still be able to go to the directory where you assign the export files and there open the file with Excel. Another new feature for printing reports is the H printer selection. This will produce an HTML file that can be opened in Word. This will be useful for customer price lists where you want to add pictures or logos or do some special formatting. You are now able to add images to master files, customers, items, vendors, and employees. For example, you may go to an item, press Shift F8 or the extended functions icon, and choose View to view, add, or change an image associated with the item number. To add or change the image, press F2, search your desktop or network for the correct image, and open the file to load the image. It will automatically rename the file and place it in the right directory. You may use either JPEG or bitmap files. This is useful in order entry when you want to check on an item. When the item number is up on the screen at any time, you can just press Shift F8 and view the image. The image files are saved under the Samco Company directory. This is a way to load a large number of images instead of one at a time. Just be sure to follow the naming convention, item number without the leading zeros, plus JPEG or bitmap. Have you ever had this happen? Someone sends a report to your printer just when you have checks loaded. Now you are able to password protect printers so that users have only their own printers available in the Samco printer window. To set it up, go to System Functions, Passwords, Maintain Printer Passwords. Enter the user's password and change the selection beside each printer to Yes, No, or Optional. Press Enter. The Optional feature makes more printers available in the printer window when you press F2. For example, here I have optional printers set up that I only use occasionally. From now on, you will avoid this scenario. The AP module now supports electronic funds transfers to automatically pay your vendors through the bank. The software creates a file which you transmit to your bank. When you discuss your requirements with the bank for EFT processing, it would be a good idea to have a print screen of the AP control file, the EFT detail page handy. Your bank always provides technical data for the electronic funds transfer, and what you need for the Samco setup is on this screen. Now, on the second screen of the vendor record, you have two new fields for the transit and the vendor's account number. The transit number consists of the bank plus branch number. Your vendors can get this information off their checks. It goes in order of check number, branch number, bank or institution number, and account number. Just a note about the microcode for the bank number. It usually doesn't show on the check, but the number must include a leading 0 for all EFT transmissions. If your vendor has the bank data filled in on the vendor record, no check will be produced when you do a check run. Instead, a record will be written to the EFT file, and an EFT stub will be printed after the regular checks are done. I'm sure most of you have taken a look at our new website, www.samco.com. In the next few weeks, all of our users on the CAMP program will be getting a user ID and a password to access new features. You will be able to download manuals and FAQs, enter a support incident, check out monthly specials, and update any service packs or new release features. Well, those are just some highlights of the new version. There are many more new features available, so please check out the release notes for version 10.5. Thanks for watching.